is, what is there in the bag. I'm very curious to know about that. What do they carry as a parent, as a special educator, and as a caregiver? So these are not the things what all therapists or all caregivers do carry, but I make sure I have these essentials in my bag. So my bag is totally a mess. It's a very big bag. Wherever I go, I take this huge bag. I love this bag. This bag is from Chumbak. It literally has so many things. Wherever I go, I have this bag. So you can see it's a mess. You can see here it's a mess. What I actually have is like I have few extra clothes of some kids and babies. Like I carry that, and yeah, there are some kids like autistic kids. They do love watching colors, which is in line. As you know, they have a sensory habit of lining up everything. So this can keep them engaged for a while without screens. And let me check. Yeah, this is also one stress buster ball. It's not only for autistic kids, even for the elders also, for the big people also. If they're feeling so anxious, they can just do this. These are the things which I have. And definitely my glares are there, and wallets. This phone is also there. See, I'm not gonna say a very bad thing that please don't give screen times to your kids when you're out. You have to give screen time. Just cancel out the background music when people say, oh, your kid is autistic, you should not give screen time. Make sure you as a parent are supervising the screen time with your kid, because there is no 2-minute fixed therapy for a child when you take out. You should have your me time also there. So it's okay if you give to the last extent, if you give the child a screen time. But before that, make sure you have these things. Even if you don't have these things, you can just apply any other techniques out there in whichever place you're going. Just build a priming video. We say to give priming for kids. Priming, it's like we give visuals or any other thing, or we just prepare them before going for any party or any function a week before. Yeah. So I guess more than giving priming for kids, parents should have the priming things in their mind. What should they have in their mind before going out? So these are the things which I have. Definitely these also include a few makeup essentials also. One lip gloss, liner, foundation. Most of the cosmetics are from K-Beauty or Mars brand, which I am wearing right now. And tissues, definitely, it's very important. Any wet wipes. Okay, I don't know why, but I have carried this small diary which I got from my mom's office. She gave it to me. It's written their company's name also. I don't know why, but I love journaling. I do that. So this is there in my bag for long. There's a very one secret thing which I have not shared even with my mom. She says that why do you have sour things in your cupboard? She keeps on asking me. It can be a tamarind candy, it can be a sour chewy candy. I still have few tamarind candies in my bag here right now, which I carry, which she doesn't know why do I carry that, like she doesn't know the idea, but I will just tell you why do I carry that. Why I carry sour things in my bag is like so that it can control my anxiety when I eat it. Even me as a therapist, don't judge me that I do go for therapies, I do take therapies, and I have a lot of anxieties inside. I have difficulties in processing, I do have panic attacks also. So to calm down when I am out, to just kill the burnout, I do chew some sour things. There are different things for different people. Few people have a coffee, few people have sweet things, few people have cold things. Some eat extremely spicy things, which I do have. I eat a mix of sour and spicy things to kill my anxiety. So that's the reason why I carry all these things in my bag. Now the secret is disclosed. My mom is listening. She is the person recording the video. So these are some basic things. One thing which I missed in my bag is a headphone. Headphone is a savior. Trust me guys, it's a savior even for you to cut off the background noise. The expected outcomes when you take your child to the home, child outside, there are so many people talking, blabbering. You can also use for yourself, and for child also it's very important. Like it's calms down the sensory. Those kids who have auditory processing disorders, like they cannot bear the outside noises, headphones can play a very important role. And there are few kids who have difficulties in sitting in one place. I don't suggest this for a very long time of wearing a vested weighted jacket. I do have many of my clients using it, but it's not workable for all the kids. So make sure you give a very good deep compression before you are taking your child anywhere out. This is my bag. This is the things which I carry in my bag. Bags can differ. Different places, different bags. If I have kids around, I have different bag. If I'm alone, it's a different bag.